In this video, I'll show you how to accept a friend request on Facebook and explain what happens with following. Many people wonder if it's possible to accept a friend request without following the person back. To get started, open the Facebook app and sign in to your account. Tap the Friends icon or open the menu and select Friends. Then tap Friend Requests to view your pending requests. Find the request you want to accept and tap Confirm. Once you become Facebook friends, you will generally follow each other automatically, so you can see each other's posts in your feed. If you don't want to see that person's posts, you can unfollow them without removing them as a friend. To do this, open your new friend's profile, tap the Friends button, then select Unfollow. You'll remain friends, but their posts will no longer appear in your newsfeed unless you visit their profile directly. You can always follow them again later by returning to their profile and selecting Follow. This lets you stay connected while customizing what appears in your feed. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy app tutorials. Thanks for watching.